Windows are an essential part of your home. They provide outside views, natural light, and act as a barrier against the elements. The best windows can beautify your home and make you comfortable all at the same time. If you're looking for the best window replacement for your Cary home, look no further than Window Depot of Raleigh. We're the North Carolina window installation experts, providing gorgeous windows all around the triangle. We use the most durable and energy-efficient materials to ensure you get the most from your windows. Vinyl and wood-clad windows are the most popular window materials because of their beauty, energy efficiency, and durability. Vinyl windows are the more affordable option, coming in a variety of colors and styles. They require minimal maintenance and are known for their durability. Wood-clad windows cover real wood with cladding, providing a natural look and the ability to customize with paint and stains. They require more maintenance than vinyl, but much less than wood frames. So how do you choose between these two great options? Our team at Window Depot of Raleigh will learn about your vision and help you decide the best material for your home. We live and work in the Raleigh area, so we know the climate and the other factors that affect the performance of your windows. We'll ensure they're beautiful and long-lasting. If you need new windows for your Cary home, the experts at Window Depot of Raleigh can help. Contact us today to get started.